Welcome to FK iPhone World. Hey everyone, welcome back to FK iPhone World. Today, we're diving into the latest Tecno Spark 20 Pro, a budget-friendly smartphone that packs some impressive features for its price. If you're looking for a stylish phone with solid performance and great camera capabilities, stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. Starting with the features, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro comes with a large 6.78-inch IPS LCD display that supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering a smooth and immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, it is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, which ensures efficient performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just browsing. The phone runs on HiOS, based on Android 13, bringing a host of customizations and optimizations to enhance user experience. When it comes to memory and storage, the Spark 20 Pro offers up to 8 GB of RAM with extended RAM features and 256 GB of internal storage. This means you get plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos without worrying about running out. For battery life, the device houses a massive 5000 mAh battery, supported by 33W fast charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day with minimal downtime. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The Tecno Spark 20 Pro sports a premium design with a glossy or matte finish, depending on the color variant. The flat-edge frame gives it a modern look, and the punch-hole camera placement adds to the sleek display aesthetics. On the back, you'll notice a stylish camera module that houses the powerful 108MP primary camera, delivering sharp and detailed images in various lighting conditions. Alongside it, there's an AI lens to enhance photography effects. The front-facing 32MP camera ensures crisp selfies and supports AI beautification for the best shots. In terms of security, the device features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, offering a quick and reliable way to unlock the phone. It also includes face unlock for added convenience. For audio, the dual stereo speakers deliver clear and immersive sound, making it a great device for watching videos and playing music. To wrap things up, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro stands out as a great budget smartphone with an attractive design, high-resolution cameras, and smooth performance. If you're looking for a phone that delivers more than what you pay for, this could be a solid option. Let me know in the comments what you think about this device and if you'd consider getting one. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. See you in the next one.